Abacha Saroko, Abacha na-enye joy, Abacha and Okazi. Ha! If you haven't tasted this type of Abacha, you're on a long thing. I am going to show you how to make this delicious Abacha with Okazi. You need two ingredients. Only Abacha, clean Abacha, white Abacha, better one. You just wash them. I'm going to wash my own with water to remove the sand, and then I am going to soak it in water for 30 minutes or more, because this my own is very dry. So if yours is a little bit less dry, you want lesser time for it. So I going to use my clay pot. Hmm. This abacha is always served with clay pot, but unfortunately, this is Ghanaian clay pot. Clay pot is clay pot too. Eh, my Ghanaian people, una well done. Oh. So I added oil to it, and then I'm going to add ehuru and pepper, and then I will add crayfish to it. I will add stock cube, and this is crayfish. I'm going to add stock cube and nothing. Stock cube and then crayfish and oil with ogiri. I'm going to add ogiri too to eat. This abacha. You don't need account. I am not going to add account on this. No account. So if you don't like account, please stay tuned. No account abacha. I am not adding account at all. So this is my ogiri. Local stock cube. This is our own Igbo local stock cube made from ogiri ugba. That's what they call it, ogiri ugba. It smells, they smell. Okay, so I turn it. Then I am going to add my Okazi. This Okazi is very fresh. I bought it from the African store. Very fresh one. Please, you can try the dry one, but the fresh one is better. You can't just enjoy that dry one unless you want to boil it. So add more oil if you want, and just turn it. This abacha, hey, the time after cooking the after sharing this abacha, dishing it out for my visitor, I was like, if to say no, if to say I no be bad person, I for no give this. If I be bad person, I no give na this abacha. I added the abacha. I'm going to add it gradually. I will not add everything at the same time. If you want somebody to come back to your house again asking you of this type of abacha, don't cook it menu, just small. If they finish the abacha, I want China na at all. Now, unfortunately, the abacha don't finish. This abacha, if you see what happened when we ate this abacha, they say, why would you just do this little abacha? But I just want them to remember it. They will come back again. I turned it. Enough of the story. Then you turn them. Just turn it. Keep on adding, depending on the size of the oil that is inside your clay pot or your pot or your plate. So I'm going to add them gradually and turn them. And when you are satisfied, don't add more. But if you add plenty, you will not like the taste. You add many, you will not add. Just make sure they are 50. Okay, let's say it's 60-50. See? Beautiful. This abacha. Oh God. If you just finish eating this abacha, you will thank me. You will say thank you. It's so yummy. I ate it in my friend's place when I was in the East. So that was when I ate it first, and she taught me how to do it. It's so delicious. So delicious. So I ended up adding um onion to it, and the pomo I made earlier on. Please watch the video. This pomo is another recipe, a banger recipe. Bye. Thank you for watching.